Good morning, students. Today our topic is numbers. Hope you all understood the last session. Let's recall the content what we learnt on the last video. Successor and predecessor, formation of large numbers, Indian and international system using the place value chart.
In this video, we are going to see about comparison of numbers and arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. In last video also we saw about comparison of numbers. In this session, let's see how to compare the numbers using the place value chart.
Comparison of numbers. Students, do you know who introduced these comparison signs? It was introduced by Thomas Harriot. This is Thomas Harriot who introduced the greater symbol, less than symbol and equal to symbol. Now we are going to compare two numbers using the place value chart. Compare 59283746 and 59283748 using the place value chart. Here the place value chart is given. To find the solution, the first step is compare the digits using the place value chart. Here the two values is given. No? First you have to put the numbers in the place value chart. And the second step is compare the digits of the two numbers from the highest place value. Here the highest place value is what? Yes, crore. You have to compare the crore value. Here the crore value is same. Then same for 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens. Number of digits in these numbers are equal. Then see the ones value. Here the first number ones value is 6 and the second number ones value is 8. So we conclude that 6 is less than 8, hence 5 crore 92 lakh 83,746 is less than 5 crore 92 lakh 83,748. Ascending and descending order. For example, when you stand in a line for the morning assembly in your school, you must have observed that you often stand according to your heights. The taller students stand at the back of the line and the shorter ones in the front. This is nothing but standing in the line in increasing order of your heights. On the contrary, if one starts counting back, then you are standing in decreasing of your heights. Therefore, there are two ways of arrangement of numbers. One is ascending order and other one is descending order. Ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest is known as ascending order. Look at this picture. A person climbing up the ladder. This shows the increasing order. Descending order. The arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order.
In this picture, a person getting down from the staircase. This shows the decreasing order. This picture represents the difference between ascending and descending order. The first picture indicates ascending order. It is in increasing order, small to big. And the second picture indicates the descending order, big to small. For example, if we have to write the number 81, 18, 26 and 47 in ascending and descending order, what you have to do? The first step is used to find the ascending and descending order is compare the two digits number. First you have to compare these numbers and the second step is used to arrange them in a ascending or descending order based on their place values. Here the ascending order value is 18, 26, 47 and 81 and the descending order value is 81, 47, 26 and 18. Here the ascending value is contrary to the descending order. Contrary means the opposite of ascending order is descending order. Here the first question is, how many hundreds are there in 10 lakh? To find the solution, first draw the place value chart. First, you have to write the highest value 10 lakh in the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then you have to write the hundred value. Ones, tens, hundred. First, you have to write the highest value in the numerator and hundred in the denominator. In numerator, you have 6 zeros and in denominator, you have 2 zeros. Cut down first. After cut down the zeros, you get 10,000 hundreds are there in 10 lakh. Example 1.1. How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? This is similar to the previous one. First draw the place value chart. Write the highest value 1 lakh in place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. And thousand value is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In numerator, you have to write the highest value. In denominator, you have to write the thousand value. In numerator, you have 5 zeros and denominator have 3 zeros. Cut down first. Then you get the answer 100,000. 100,000 are there in 1 lakh. And the next one is example 1.3. The distance between the sun and the earth is about 9290000 miles. Read and write the number in the Indian and the international system by using commas. First, you have to find the Indian place value, then international system. The given number is 9290000. You have to write the place value in the chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. As you already know that how to put the commas in Indian system. First comma should be placed before the 100 place. Second comma 10,000 place. Third comma 10 lakh place. This can be read as 9 crore 29 lakh. Next one is international system. The number is given ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. For international system, you have to use all the commas after the 3 digits. First comma should be placed after the 3 digit. Second comma placed after the 3 digit. And this can be easily read as 92,900,000. Let's see the exercise problems. Exercise 1.1. Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in the Indian system. This one is similar to the last example sum. First, you have to draw the place value chart. Then the given number is 26,345. First, you have to write 26,000 in the place value. 26. 2 in the place of 10,000, 6 in the place of 1,000. Then you have to write the 300. 3 in the place of 100. Then 45. 10's value is 4 and 1's place value is 5. Then you have to write the number in the Indian system. 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. The first comma should be placed after the 100 place. Let's move on to the exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, now we are going to solve the third sum of the numbers 1, 3, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 2, 1, 5. The second number is 1, 3, 7, 6, 9, 8, 8, 9, 0. Third number is 8, 6, 7, 2, 0, 5, 6, 0. Which one is the largest and which one is the smallest? Now we are going to find the largest value and the smallest value.
Here the three set of numbers are given. First you have to put these numbers in the place value chart. Here the first number 5 in the place of ones, 1 in the place of tens, 2 in the place of 100, 7 in the place of 1000, 8 in the place of 10,000, 7 in the place of lakh, 6 in the place of 10 lakh, 8 in the place of crore, 3 in the place of 10 crore and 1 in the place of 100 crore.
Similarly, you have to put the second and third value in the place value chart. Students, listen carefully. When you write the numbers, the place value increases from right to left. You have to write the numbers from the right to left. Like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. You have to start the number from the right to left. When writing the numbers, we make use of place value chart to ensure that we do not miss any digit in between while writing it.
And then students write the numbers carefully according to the place value. Here we can easily find out the smallest number and the largest number. Smallest number is 8 crore 67 lakh 20,560. Put their commas according to the place value. And the largest number is 138 crore 67 lakh 87,215. Hope you all finished the last class activity. Write down the practice sum in the max note. Here the first sum is there are 10 lakh people in a district. What would be the population of 10 such districts? And the second sum is the number of employees in the Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. Write this in the International System of Numeration. This one is the exercise problem 13th sum. In this sum you have to convert the Indian system 10 lakh into international system. This one is similar to the exercise problem 12th sum. Using the place value chart, find the international system of numeration. If you have any doubt, note it down. The doubts will be clarified on the reopening day.